weird picture for some reason.
We're at the time of night where everything is stupid and weird.
And funny.
And funny, according to that chick over here.
Yeah, according to me.
You said you wanted to tape this time.
No, I said that you could tape. You.
She has some anxiety issues.
No, I don't. You have anxiety
Because
issues.
Mr. Hadley is the person that she adores. I told you! I told you she has anxiety issues!
I'm not on a leash! Oh, rip your hair out. Then if I rip out yours first.
Nom nom!
What? No!
Well, she's like...
It's the Cookie Monster! Nom 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 nom.
You can't read it, but it's cool. Look at this back here. Isn't this a wonder?
Ah! Oh.
Gabriella, filming the mole on her arm.
Yes.
The mole on her arm. What am I looking at? That is no, back it up a little bit. This is Nathaniel Williams. Isn't he so beautiful? That's Troy.
Who's the Mexican kid?
Who's this Mexican kid? Oh, it's Patrick Tarn.
Oh my God! So, why does it say Patrick on that one and say Dean on this one?
Oh,
And then it says James Patrick on that one.
And Dean on that one.
Patrick's not on.
She sort of has an obsession with him. I'm just kidding. She has more of an obsession with that Nate guy.
No, what? Nathaniel.
No. Not whispering.
Oh, tiptoe to the window, by the window. That's where I'll be. Got tiptoe to the window.
Something else.
Oh. We should sing a chorus song.
Really?
I think we should. What do you want to sing?
I don't know.
Amani. Do you want to sing Amani?
You can.
No, I'm not singing unless you sing with me.
Because she was in a car.
What? No.
Car. She wants to tiptoe to the window now.
No,
To
read the
see.
pieces. What are you talking about?
To see what he can see.
That chick you love. What? I don't love any chicks except for you. What? Justin Brown is probably a kid from a different school.
Probably BB Brown. Now here, Chester is stalking Matthew Johnson.
Scary.
No, I'm fucking Justin Brown.
Whoever the hell.
Somebody
that is.
scream or something.
Beautiful face.
I don't want to wake your mother. Will she yell at me if I
I
scream?
don't know, just say something funny.
I don't know anything funny. I'll flip you off though. See, I'm doing it right now. And again. And again.
The waitress at Drew's flipped me off.
Going like this.
She's like, oh.
See, I'm flipping you off again.
What's going on
But you
Facebook
don't
and
know
you're
it.
flipping your mother off?
What do you say?
I don't know. What did he say?
That he tiptoed to the window, by the window. I don't know the next.
I don't even know.
Well, we're gonna go.
Bye. Bye-bye. No kitties.
That mate.
Kitties are bad.